All right, so this is going to be our last video at the Beeville Economic Development Building. We got everything wrapped up. Roof's now all white, highly reflective. Wanted to kind of do an energy study here real quick, just a little case. See if you guys can see this through here. Roof temperature, 102 degrees. I'll shoot it again. Gotta reset that sucker. 103 degrees right there. See if that shows up on the deal. By contrast, we're at a mod bit roof. I can show here we're at 140 degrees right here. Try a different area. You can see right there. So we got about a 40-degree temperature between our existing roof right here, the roof right here. We added about an R7 to R10, depending on where you're at on the building, for the entire roof system, reflecting now about 87% of the sun's UV rays versus something over here probably in the low 50s.
It's R14, R15.
So,
well, our super spreader was awesome.
Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when we're completed. We still got a little bit of touch-up work we'll do tomorrow once everything's done. But this is the Beeville Beeville Economic Building, Beeville, Texas.